Hello everyone, today I'll be showing how to make this amazing cake, and we only be needing 3 ingredients, so please try this. It is so soft and fluffy. So let's start. The ingredients we need are Eno, Oreo. I have taken this 10 rupees packet, 4 packets of Oreo, powdered sugar, lukewarm milk or milk at room temperature. First we'll crush all the Oreos. So we'll open the packets and break it into pieces, and then we'll mix it with the powdered sugar. So let's break it. Yeah, so we are almost done with breaking the pieces, and now we'll crush them. So I'll show you how small we have broke the pieces. Yeah, so it's around a bite-sized piece, and now we'll crush it in the grinder. So now we'll crush it. Yeah, so we are done with the Oreo powder. We have some pieces, so we'll crush it again, and after that we'll mix it with the powdered sugar and make our Oreo cake. So we are done with the crushing. Now we'll mix
all the ingredients. First we'll add the Oreo powder, and after we add the full mixer, means we clean up the mixer, then we'll take the whisk, and we'll mix it with the help of a whisk so that all the lumps of cream melt, means they break away. After mixing, after breaking all the lumps of cream, we'll add sugar. We will add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and we'll mix it well. After we mix it well, we'll add lukewarm milk, or the milk at a room temperature. We can also add, so lukewarm means at room temperature. So we'll add that. And mix it. We'll add it portion by portion, and we have to make a semi-thick batter. So my batter is about to get ready. So I have lumps in my batter and it's very thick, so I'll be adding some more milk, and I'll mix it well. And make sure that there are no lumps in the batter while you make cake, or the cake will not be soft and fluffy. So now our batter is ready. Now we will be greasing the tins for the cupcakes. As you saw earlier, I have 2 tins, and I'll be greasing them with ghee. You can grease them with butter, oil or greasing paper, or anything you like. So now we are greasing it. And after we grease it, cake to come out very good, we will be adding some more maida or multi-purpose flour and shake it and make it that it reaches every part, and we'll also grease the second one with maida. So after we grease it, we keep it aside, and then we'll be adding our Eno in the last to our batter. So we'll add Eno. We'll shake it a little bit so we can get pull out of it. Then we have to add Eno and mix it fast so that all the baking acids in the Eno, we can use them well in the oven. So as I mentioned here, we'll be using an oven in this video. So as you can see, the batter has started to rise, and now we'll pour it in the bubbles are also coming out, so means the acids are working. Now we'll pour it out in the 2 tins so we can make cake out of it. So here's the first and the second. We'll tap it a little bit so our cake becomes even. So I have a little bit batter remaining. I'll fix it out what to do with this batter. We'll tap both the tins and now we'll keep them in the oven. So I have this IFB company oven, and do that. So first I'll take the small rack and keep it inside and put my both tins on this rack, and I have an option of an option in cake or caramel, so I'll be putting it in the cake option. I'll start my oven with the cake or caramel. It shows around 4 minutes and 75 seconds. I don't know what the combo would be for how much degrees would it. Now let's start. So as you can see, we have started the cake, and now let's wait for the cake to be baked.
So guys, our cake is ready, and now I pull it up of the tin, and so we have it ready. Now I'll cut it. It's so soft, as you can see. So now I'll cut it. This is a small cake, but let's see. As you can see, the layers have not really filled up, but this is a very good cake. So now I'll be tasting it. Hot.